3 global diseases caused by animals. Number 1. Rabies. Caused by a virus transmitted through bites from infected animals like dogs or bats. This disease is fatal if not treated immediately and causes thousands of deaths, especially in Asia and Africa. Number 2. COVID-19. This disease is caused by the SARS-CoV-2 virus, which is believed to have originated in bats. It led to a global pandemic that caused a major health and economic crisis. Number 3. Avian influenza, bird flu. This virus comes from birds and can be transmitted to humans. Although human cases are rare, the mortality rate is high, and it has the potential to trigger a pandemic.